Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be going through a dance called Till You Can't. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. This dance has one restart. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be starting off with your weight on your left. You're going to be walking forward, right, left. We're taking a half pivot and then stepping into a half turn. So to do that, we're going to go right, left. You're going to step forward on that right, pivot that half turn around. You're going to step onto that right again, but as you do it, you're going to continue that turn over your left shoulder, stepping onto your right. As you do, you will be sweeping that left back and then step onto it, sweeping the right back and step onto it. You're going to sweep the left around, ready to go into your next part, which will be bringing that foot behind, which will be behind, side, cross. From the beginning once more, just walking through that first section, starting with the weight on the left, leading with the right. We go right, left, half pivot, half sweep, back, sweep, behind, side, cross. Once more for that, this time with a count to understand the counts of the dance. So walking forward with that right, 7, and you go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you're going to be moving to the right side. So you're going to be going side and forward and then left side and forward. Kind of like a little rumba, but not quite the whole box. So you're going to be going right together, forward right, left together, forward left. Finishing that section of 8, you're going to be stepping forward on the right. You're going to tap that left toe behind. Then you're going to step back on that left. Now, you will be sweeping your right foot around. You're going to start a quarter turn to your right, finishing that quarter turn with a sailor step on the right. So you're going to be sweeping that right around into a sailor step. So your weight should end up on your right from here. So that last section again, you've just finished with behind, side, cross. We're going to be moving to the right. We go side, together, forward, left, side, together, forward, stepping forward, forward, tap, back with a sweep and a sailor step. Once more, just finishing that section again. This is the second section of 8 with a count, moving to the right, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Moving back to the beginning, going through those 2 sections of 8 together. So traveling forward with the right, weight on the left, 7, and we go right, left, half pivot, half sweep, back, behind, side, cross. Right, side together, forward, left, side together, forward. We step, tap, back, sweep with a sailor quarter turn. Excellent. From here, we're going to continue on. Just remember, this is YouTube, so you're able to rewind these videos at any stage and replay any section that you may be having difficulty with. From here, you're going to be bringing that right foot across. We're going to be going across side behind, and then we're going to sweep around, and we're going to bring it back. So you're going to go across, side, behind. And this next section here, or this next step, is called a ronde. So you're going to sweep it around, and then you're going to go behind, side, and then you're going to step forward. But as you do it, you're going to turn a slight turn, so angle of your body towards your left, so you end up angling onto this corner here. That's not that section of 8 just yet, but that last little part there, you've done your sailor step, so your weight is on your right. You're going to be moving that left across. You're going to go across, side, behind, sweep that right around, go behind, side, and then step forward. Finishing that section of 8, you're going to step forward on the left. You're going to tap the right beside it, step back on that right, low kick that left, and then we're going to go a coast across, so back, together, cross. Let's do that last section of 8 once more. We have done our sailor step, our weight is on the right. We're going to bring that left across. So you're going to go across, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, and back, together, cross. Now, at the end of this section of 8, there is an and count that you need to add, which is a tap of the right foot beside the left. So to add that all together with a count, we've done our sailor step, our weight is on our right, we're moving that left across, 7, and it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Going back to the beginning, let's do all 3 sections of 8, and we have 1 section of 8 left. So moving forward on that right, 7, and we go right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, back, sweep, behind, side, cross. Right together, forward, left together, forward, right, tap, back, sweep with a sailor, quarter, turn, bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, and back together, cross, tap. Remember the tap on the end with that and count. Let's do that once more with a count going right through for all those 3 sections of 8. Moving forward on the right once more, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you should finish here with your weight still on your left. You have just simply tapped the right beside it. From here, we're going to do a slide to the right, kind of like a nightclub to the right. So we're going to step to the right. We're going to drag that left towards it. We're going to do a rock back on that left. So back, replace. We're going to step the left to the side. We're going to step the right across the left. And then we're going to do another coast across. So we're going to go back, together, cross. We're going to do another little tap beside. Then we're going to step to the right, tap the left beside, step the left to the side, tap the right beside. That is the end of the dance, and you are ready to start again. So that last section again, you have finished with that tap. We're going to do the nightclub to the right. So we go side, rock, replace, side, cross, back, together, cross, tap, side, tap, tap. End of dance, and we start again. Let's just do that last section of 8 with a count so you understand the count on that one as well. Moving to the right, 7, and we go 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and we are ready to start the dance again, walking forward. Let's go through all 4 sections of 8, putting the whole dance together to the front wall. Weight on the left, moving forward with the right, 7, and we go right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, back, sweep, behind, side, cross. Right side together, forward, left, side together, forward, moving forward, step, tap, back, quarter sweep, and sailor step, bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, and behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, and coaster, cross, tap, drag, rock, replace, side, cross, coaster, cross, tap, side, tap. You are ready now to start on your second wall, which is your 3 o'clock wall. I'm now going to walk through all 4 walls together. When we get to wall 4, that is where there is a restart. Slight step change, but nothing too major, and we'll go over that when we get to the 4th wall. We will now walk through all 4 walls. If you need to repeat anything and you haven't quite got a certain step, just remember, rewind and replay. So, moving from the beginning once more, moving forward on that right, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, back, behind, side, cross to the right, side together, forward, left together, forward, step and tap, back, quarter sweep, and sailor step, bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, and coaster, cross, tap, side, rock, replace, side, cross, back together, forward, and side, and right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, back, sweep behind, side, cross, side together, forward, step, tap, back, sweep, and sailor step. Bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, and coaster, cross, tap, side, rock, replace, side, cross, coaster, cross, tap, right, tap, left, right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, back, sweep behind, side, cross to the right, side together, forward to the left, side together, forward, going forward, step, tap, back, quarter sweep, and sailor step, bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, step, tap, back, kick, coaster, cross, tap, side, rock, replace, side, and here is where the restart will actually happen. So you've got to that side, you're just going to tap the right side, ready to start the dance again from that beginning. So again, that happens on your 9 o'clock wall, restarting you back to the front on the 12 o'clock wall. Let's just repeat that 9 o'clock wall once more so we can do the dance through with that restart once more. So moving forward on the right, wait on the left, 7, and right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, behind, side, cross to the right, side together, forward to the left, side together, forward, and step, tap, back and sweep and sailor step, bring it across, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, going forward, step, tap, back, kick, behind, side, cross, tap, drag, ready, here we go, side, tap, right, left, half, pivot, half, sweep, behind, side, cross. So we are now back to the beginning of the dance, ready to start it all over again. I hope you really enjoy learning this dance. Don't forget that you can rewind and replay. It is YouTube. Don't forget to also subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new tutorial video. I'll also have a separate video of this dance going through as well, which will have the music playing, so you can also dance it with me. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.